Okay, you guys, and you wonder why I love casseroles. I'm going to try to show you this. I don't know if you can see it. Honestly, this is probably going to be one of my most favorite casseroles. Lately, I'm just loving these 4-ingredient casseroles. So let's get the water boiling and the beef cooking. And I'm going to be cooking with the small shells, and I'll be adding the whole box. Now I'm going to be adding a family pack of ground beef and 2 teaspoons of minced garlic. Now I said there was only 4 ingredients, but I am going to add some onions because I feel like it's going to give it really good flavor. And we're just going to saute until that is all cooked. In the meantime, we're going to get some cheese shredded. It's amazing. I think it's just going to be like 2 cups of cheese. I'll just kind of eye it and see if I want more or less. But I will shred all this cheese up because I always use it, so I might as well. Put that aside. Okay, water's boiling, so I'll add my pasta. My beef and onions are almost done. This is when I like to give it a good smash in, just to break it up really, really good for when I put it in the casserole dish. While this is still cooking, I'm just going to add some salt and pepper. And let it continue to cook. It's basically done. All right, guys, everything is done cooking. Now we're just going to assemble. So we'll add the ground beef first, without making a mess, hopefully. And I did strain most of the grease off of that because my belly does not like a lot of grease. And we're gonna put the noodles in. I might just use half of those noodles. They grew a little bit while they were cooking. I'm trying to make this YouTube friendly and all pretty, but it's kind of hard. I'm gonna put 2 cans of tomato soup in. I don't think I mentioned this, but this is an amazing budget-friendly meal as well if you're trying to cut down on the food expenses. Now I'm going to put half of this cheese in and mix it all up. Again, without making a mess, but I probably will because this is a lot of food. And I'll bypass this so I don't bore you guys to death again. I would add some vegetables to this casserole, but my husband does not like vegetables. Well, most vegetables. Oh my gosh. You guys, this smells so good. Okay, I'm going to add the rest of the cheese. I have preheated my oven for 375. So I'm going to put, I don't know about the rest of the cheese, but I'm going to put a layer of cheese on top. Oops, there you go, spilling. So I'm just gonna cover this now and put it in the oven for 30 minutes. And I will be back. Okay, you guys. And you wonder why I love casseroles. I'm gonna try to show you this. I don't know if you can see it. Oh my God, it looks so good. It's so hot, it's bubbling. This is a budget-friendly, cheesy, ground beef, pasta, onions. Oh, wow. Oh my God. Honestly, this is probably gonna be one of my most favorite casseroles. And you know what? I made it ahead of time because I'm making this in the morning and we're not eating, of course, till supper time. So this is gonna be just delicious. This is one of those meals that tastes better the next day, if you know what I mean.